Hello, welcome to Spy Money. Tonight, the long-awaited training on HedgeFundTrader, and I've been working diligently on this for several months, and it's a big reason that I haven't made videos on YouTube or anything, because I've been working 7 days a week, hour after hour, getting this all done. We've been trading it manually, doing very successful with it. But it's doing it manual is sometimes harder, and so we've been working diligently on getting the bot done. And it's been, like I said, 7 days a week trying to get the bot ready. The bot does a really good job with it. We have it set up to where you will be able to have it hands-free for the most part. And this is just a little preview of what it is and how it works and so forth. But these are the actual trades that it would take, losers and winners. In this particular case, there's no losers on it. What we do is we take the trade and we use our Man of War as part of it, and we use our HedgeFundTrader. So these little dots are the entries, but like where this one's above the Man of War, we don't take it. And I'll go in more of that tonight, but these are some of the trades. This one's $665 at max profit. This one's $355, this one's $370, $360, $555, $245, $730, and $540. These are actual trades that it would have taken Friday, and this is from like 10:28 in the afternoon on over. And I didn't cherry pick this or nothing. It was just when I rolled back and looked and saw the trades. I didn't even really pay attention to the time when I did it, just to be quite honest. It does a really good job. This one is not for just like anything else. You don't want to trade this in news or very high volatility to where you have the big huge moves in one candle and so forth. This one works better when you just have like normal volatility, and Asia works very well in Asia, and it trades the levels as well. So if it's going to enter a trade and there's going to be a level involved, it won't enter the trade. And so some of these you'll see some dots and so forth, but it knows what to do, and the bot does it all. So you can set this bot up. I would not, as always, I would not turn this on and just let it run without managing it. You always need to manage your trades. But you can turn this on while you're doing something else, and it will enter, exit the trades, do what it's supposed to do within the parameters that you choose it to trade on. It does a very good job, and it knows where my levels are. Like these magenta levels are my personal levels that you put an indicator on your chart and it pops up. So as I make new levels or change, add new ones, whichever, these will automatically appear on your chart, which is very good. So you're always trading my levels. And there's other levels involved in this. I mean, you can see through here, there's more up through here, and it does a really good job. And it respects those levels. The bot does. It does a very good job. But if you're looking to get started on it, we're going to do a free live webinar tonight. You'll be able to ask some questions and so forth if you want. Get signed up. We do have a limited number of new users that we're allowing to join. So if you're interested in doing it, I suggest that you get signed up. And again, we're not looking to be the biggest company on the internet. We're looking to be the best, and we're looking for a select number of users. I don't allow everybody to join that wants to join. I do interview you to make sure that two things. One, I'm a good fit for you, and number two is that you're a good fit for Spy Money. I'm going to be invested in you as well as you're investing in me. And our main goal is to make sure that you are capable of doing what we do, and that you would have the, the ability to be able to trade the way we trade. So we're not looking to blast in thousands of users or anything. I never have been. And I just I keep it small, and sometimes people will leave, and sometimes we get a little too many, and I don't make a lot of videos on this. We don't have to. We've got really all we need right now, and to cover the overhead of the programmer and things like that. And that's really what this is about. We keep it very small, tight group of people, and I like it that way. If you're interested in joining, you would go to spymoneyllc.com right here, and you would go scroll down a little bit, and you'll see the register for the free event. You put your first name, last name, and put your email address. Click subscribe. One important thing is you'll need to check your email. There is an opt-in form. You have to click that to opt in. Once you do that, then I'm going to send out another email probably about 6 o'clock tonight Eastern time, 6 or 6:30, and it'll have a link that you can click on to join. If you're interested, please do so, and I think it would be very helpful for you. This is one thing. We have another strategy we use, the sniper. Sniper works really well, and I haven't updated this, but it's made money every month. And just turn it on, go for $500. This is for October. I never finished November. It did make money, and I'll have to update this, but these are actual numbers that it would have done. And the sniper does a really good job. We have 2 users that use it daily that post some really incredible numbers on them. One of them is, I think he made something like, let me look here. He made $10,592 Friday, and I think the day before, I think he made something like over 20,000. It was 27,957.22 is what he made. So he does it on the sniper strategy. So we're going to go over that tonight as well, the sniper and the hedge fund trader. And I personally like the hedge fund trader a little bit better because it's quicker signals typically, and it allows you to get in and get your trades over and done with. But you want to go ahead and go to there and do that. If you know that you want to lease this, let me refresh this. If you know you want to lease it, just go up here to lease program. When you click on that, there's going to be some questions that you have to answer. It is $9.75 a month. And put in your first name, last name, email. All of this information has to be completed. If you don't complete it, I won't even reply back. Once you do that, one of the things on here is you need to let me know what day is best day and time to call. And I want to talk to you and make sure that you are a good fit and that I am a good fit for you. So it is an interview process. We don't allow everybody in it. If you can't even fill this out, you won't even get an answer back from me to reply back. So you have to do that. And again, we're not looking to have thousands of people. We want to make sure that we have the right people in here because we all have to work together. And I want to make sure that everybody is a good fit. Matter of fact, the people that are in our group, if somebody has issues with someone and it's like several people, then we don't allow those people to stay in any longer. We want to make sure that we keep everything in a small group, everybody gets along, and where we can just trade and share the results and praise each other for what we've done, and when we've messed up, we all come in as a group and try to help the other person. So this is a different kind of futures trading group than you probably have experienced before. So, but let us know if we can help you. Again, right here is just a little sneak preview of what we do. Tonight we're going to talk more about it and let you know how things work. We can pick some different days and so forth, some different times, and see what would actually work out for you. There hasn't been one day that I have lost money trading this when you follow the rules. If you follow the rules, I'm not saying you won't have a bad trade, because you will. And sometimes you'll have a little bit of drawdown, not a lot, but you'll have a little bit of drawdown, but it always pulls itself out. I've never had it not pull itself out. But what we're looking for is to get a 50% goal. If we're trading a $1,000 NQ contract, we're looking to make $500, give or take. If it's 400, 500, 600, somewhere through there, and then you quit. This does work on ES as well, and we'll go over that tonight. Here, matter of fact, the last few days I've been trading more ES than I have NQ because of how NQ has jumped around. So I went back to ES to make it a little bit easier to make the trades and not have to be so quick. Let us know how we can help you. Get signed up today. I'll see you guys at 7 o'clock tonight. And get things going and maybe get you involved. We'll see how it goes, the interview process, and we'll go from there. And I hope to see you tonight. Everybody have a great day.